Today we're going to be working on our cell phone holders. It's a two-part construction that will be cut on the laser engraver. We'll start with sketching. When we get the two sketches done, we will have to move them to Illustrator to change the stroke width so that they can be cut on the laser engraver. And we'll also be doing the setup so that they will be cut correctly. We're going to start with our sketches right now. We're going to go to File, New, Part, and then to OK. First thing we're going to do is check our units and make sure that we are in inch, pounds, and seconds. Then we will go to our corner rectangle. We're going to draw everything in our top plane, and we will change our orientation to top view. Next, we'll draw our rectangle, starting at the origin and drawing up and away to the right. Next, go to Smart Dimension, go to the bottom line, pull that down, and make that 4 inches. And hit the check mark. Go to the vertical line, click and drag, open that up, and that's going to be 6 inches. And now we'll just fit it to the screen. Next, we're going to draw a couple of construction lines. A vertical line and a horizontal line. So we'll start at the top and bring our center line down. The next line isn't going to be a center line, so we'll just, when the prompt on the left-hand side pops up, we just want to move it to construction, and we're just going to eyeball it up about 1 inch to 1.5 inches and draw a line across. Now we'll dimension that line at 1.5 inches. Next, we'll start our slot. We'll go back up to our line command. And go midpoint. And the tongue on the horizontal piece is going to be 3 inches. So we're going to have to go just a bit more than 3 inches to get our slot in. Now we will mirror that entity. Close off the ends. and dimension the height of our slot. Now we're using 1/8 inch stock, which the decimal equivalent is 0.125. So we'll just change that slot to 0.14, and that should give us plenty of size for our piece to slide through. Next, we'll redimension the slot length and change that to 3.0625, which is 3 1/16 of an inch, and we should be good to go from there. We look down, our drawing is fully dimensioned, so we're ready to save. Go to File, Save As. I'm going to call this Phone Stand 1. And I'm going to have to save this as both a part because we'll need it to extrude it later so that we can put the assembly together. And I'm also going to have to save it as a drawing so we can bring it over into Illustrator. So we are looking for the suffix of DXF. Click on that and save it again. Okay. When you get the output, make sure that you're looking at the anointed views and the current view. Hit the green check. Take a look at your piece and then save it again. And at that point, you're ready to start the second sketch.